Hello folks, and welcome to another video. So you join us on a nice gentle walk to the village of Corfe. So guys, here we are having a nice little stroll. So the A350 is on our left hand side, which you can probably hear. So we're sort of almost walking beside that. Absolutely beautiful walk. We've done this many times, but absolutely lovely. Bit damp because we've just had quite a heavy rainstorm, but other than that it's a bit damp. So there's the 350 through there, guys. You can, well, it's the 351 actually. What a burp. Ooh, the Karen's on gate duty. Thank you, dear. Oh, and we can hear a train in the background, so we're getting close. So we are nearing the end of this trail. Did you swallow a fly?
No.
You sure?
Tried to.
Oh, you tried to? Oh. So guys, there's a quick look at Corfe through the trees. Gonna go there today maybe? Don't know. We've had a bit of a fried breakfast this morning, so with quite a bit of bacon, so we're a bit thirsty. So wherever we go, I think it's going to be a pub for a cold beer. But anyway, we're coming to the end of this sort of part of the walk, so we'll bring you back when we're a bit closer to the village of Corfe. So guys, you join us in Corfe Castle, or just at the entrance to Corfe Castle. So we've had a cream tea, which was rather nice. So I'm going to swap from the GoPro now over to the camcorder and do a bit of videoing around Corfe Castle, guys. So whew, that's hard work coming up this slope, but we're going to swap over, guys. That's the entrance. I'll go through there. There's the castle up there. So that concludes our walking tour of Corfe Castle and the village of Corfe. Of course, we did stop for tea and cake, or should I say scones.
Afternoon tea.
Sorry, afternoon tea, yes, that was definitely right, yes, I do apologise. Afternoon tea, which was a nice cup of tea and some homemade scones. So I've got to ask the question again, jam first or cream first? So, we put the cream, no we didn't.
Jam.
Oh, jam, sorry.
Jam.
We put the jam on first, then the cream, because I think that's the proper way of doing it. That's very controversial, isn't it, guys? Very controversial. Anyway, so we're heading back to where we started from, oddly enough. So yeah, that was a nice little walk around the castle and a little visit to the village, and the wind's picked up. Anyway guys, hope you've enjoyed this little video and little walking trip around Corfe. Until the next one, see you all again soon. Bye bye for now.